Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wet cappuccino. So first off, you will want to grind your espresso beans. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And you will want to tamp it down. I usually just put my hand over it and tap it down, and then grab the tamper, set that down, and then tamp it. And then grab your doppio cup and pour your espresso. Go ahead and pour that into your cup. And I like to set it up on here because this is nice and warm and it'll keep your cup warm. Next, you want to go ahead and steam your milk. On this machine, for this Breville machine, it's the Breville Express. I need to turn it on first. Water will come out and then it'll start steaming. And you will have to turn it off and then turn it back on before you put the wand in. So now it's ready to go. So I have to turn it off. Go ahead and put your pitcher in, put the wand into the pitcher. And then for a wet cappuccino, you'll want to foam the whole time. That way it creates a lot of foam for your wet cappuccino. And what I'm doing is I'm having the wand point towards the side. It might be different depending on what machine you have, what size pitcher you have, but I like to keep it so it's rotating counterclockwise. So you just want to keep on making the foam. I like to stop it when it hits 150 degrees. And I will set it down once this becomes too hot to hold on the bottom. So the foam's pretty much on top, so I'm going to go ahead and let it now get to 150 degrees. It will probably overflow a little bit, which I don't mind. You can just easily clean that up. So it's at 130 right now. As you can see, the foam is just right on top here. And it will overflow, I know, before I get to 150. But if you want to, you can always stop it right here. Okay, now I can stop it. It's at 150. Just before it started to overflow, as you can see, this is a ton of foam. For a wet cappuccino, you want to take it and just pour it on its side. Let me get a close-up so you can see. So this is the cappuccino here. It's not going to focus. But as you can see, there's tons of foam on top. And when you are pouring, the reason why you pour to the side is because there's going to be more milk in this cappuccino than with a dry cappuccino. With a dry cappuccino, you want basically the espresso on the bottom and then mostly foam. This will have a bit of milk in it, just not as much as a latte. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. All right, bye-bye.